What equipment do you need to strength train at home? This can be an intimidating question and one that can frequently keep people from even starting to strength train. The good news is you truly don't need a lot to get started. You certainly don't need all of this. I recommend 3 sets of dumbbells, a light, a medium, and a heavy. You'll be using these for all your exercises, upper body and lower body, so you'll need a light enough weight to use for your arms and a heavy enough weight to challenge your legs. There are different styles of dumbbells, hex dumbbells, vinyl or neoprene coated, adjustable. Choose what works best for you. As you progress, you'll eventually need more weights, but I don't think you ever need anything beyond dumbbells. Kettlebells are fun, but most kettlebell exercises you can also do with the dumbbell. However, if you're interested in additional equipment, I would recommend resistance cables. They make doing back exercises much more accessible at home. You can find long loop bands like this, but I personally prefer the cables. They aren't looped. With either, you'll need a door anchor, or I've seen people use a toilet paper roll. This secures the cable at the door, and from there, the world of back exercises is open to you. I personally have much more at-home equipment, but I've also been strength training at home for several years, so it's accumulated over time. I have a bench, but you definitely don't need a bench. I also have, as you can see here, a couple of kettlebells. And I have small loop bands, a TRX, and a pull-up bar. But again, it's accumulated over time. Start small, see what works for you, and as you progress and get more comfortable strength training at home, you can consider additional equipment.